Okay, if you watched the first video, which I will link right here, these are our two 3-foot trees that are made from tomato cages. So now we have the focal point that we're working on, which is going to be the 4-foot tree. And this one has different lights on it. And these lights, luckily, if you can see, these actually have little clips on them. So we've already taken the tomato cage. This is just a regular twist tie. And I'm going to start going around. I don't know if I'm going to need to use the clips or not. This is a much longer strand. Once again, always get your lights at the end of the season. I've been using these for about 3 seasons now. And these are blue and cool white with several different functions. And there are 50 feet of them, so there are plenty to wrap around this cage. But we will spare you the wrapping and show you the product further down. Go. Okay, so here is our 4-foot tree, light tree, made out of a tomato cage, and this is going to look very nice with we have solid blue lights on the 2 3-foots. On the 4-foot we have color changing, and we will show you, even though it's not dark, a test right now to see exactly what they look like. These lights have several different functions. This one is solid blue. Then we have solid cool white, which to me is a light blue color. And we usually keep it on setting 5, which is slow transition. They go back and forth from white to blue and back to light blue. So this will not be its permanent home. Of course, the small trees are going to go on either side of it. But this is a great way and an inexpensive way to make a light tree for very cheap, especially if you get your lights at the end of the season and use tomato cages. Similar structures like this at Home Depot and Lowe's, $50 plus. So these are outdoor lights. They can go outside, they can go inside. Ours will go outside, and the finished product is the thumbnail. So if you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Hope this helps, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.